Where to find your profile ID or account ID in Expert option. Hi everybody, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. Today we are going to be learning how you can easily find your profile ID or your account ID in Expert option account using your Android smartphone or tablet. First of all, launch open Expert option app on your device and log into your account. Once you're in the home page, go ahead and tap on the profile button on the left-hand corner of the screen. From your profile section, scroll to account information and you'll see your profile ID right there. Tap on your ID to copy it in your device's clipboard, and there you have your ID. Your profile ID or your account ID can be used for customer support and verification, account security, transaction and trading history, and promotions and bonuses, and also for linking accounts. So that is how you easily find your profile ID on Expert option. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.